I think to some extent the conversation is shifting now towards the renewable energy question. I think people do realize that we're consuming vast amounts of energy, and this has to shift. But this isn't going to shift just because Microsoft buy 100% renewable, which of course Google does as well, and the other companies are heading in that direction. So I think it should be celebrated that we're setting a bit of a standard, but it needs national infrastructure to support that transition.
How do you think about the competition with others and the idea that it is possible that actually these large language models, and maybe you'll disagree with this framing, could become commoditized, which is to say, you've got one, Google has one, Apple's now partnering with OpenAI, but they're apparently going to partner with lots of other people. Amazon, which owns a piece of Anthropic, you could argue has one and is building its own. Will everybody have one? And if everybody has one, how valuable is it anyway?
Look, as knowledge proliferates, everything essentially becomes commoditized. App development used to be a super unique, highly skilled set of things that only a tiny group of people. Now everyone can spin up an app instantly. Web development, do you remember when that was like a real thing? Now you can just sort of plug and play and drag buttons around, and you need no technical skills whatsoever other than being able to point a mouse to build a pretty decent website. So over time, as the knowledge and capability proliferates, it does become commoditized.